Trying to get a better video of Big Red eating off the feeder. He's there. Turn around and eat, bird. Alrighty. See if I can get up a little closer. See that little head bobbing? It's a red. He got a red head. Here comes another. Okay. More birdies. Oh, he's letting her eat. Gotta get a little closer to the lovebirds there. At least they're sharing. Unlike hummingbirds, a lot of them like to fight. That way the cat's Sasha's looking out the window there. I'll get it as close as I can until they. Okay, the red one took off. Saw me. So got the other one right there. Eat. I'm not gonna bother you. Yeah, that's an Avon bird feeder, people. You can go off my webpage at www.youravon.com/Kelly Ellis. You can also use it as a bird bath. So if you like birds, and they like those black sunflower seeds, they love them, but they're messy. Okay, now time for me to go to the doctor's office and get another close-up shot of it. And once again, it's the Avon bird feeder, and they love these black sunflower seeds. As my neighbor lives here, I decided to give it to her because she always sprinkled the sunflower seeds on the ground. And cats are right there. Okay, yeah, it only costs about $19. This is great. Okay, there goes the birds. I better get to my doctor's appointment. They want to come back and eat. Bye, YouTubers.